Hello, my name is Leila Sanchez and welcome to my assignment 4.2 project milestone 4, a complete game overview. I would first like to start by mentioning that I was able to refactor my code to meet all 3 previous milestones. I will demonstrate this later when I activate my gameplay state. For now, let's take a look at the Game Manager Game Object Inspector and then the corresponding script. What I added recently, here under the current state and state objects, designers first fill out the object states with empty game objects from the hierarchy over here that represent the states that will possibly be triggered by a button press or another condition. Now to look at the script. My game manager is now a finite state machine with 7 states. I have also refactored the start function down here to first check if my custom boolean function called isGameplayStateActive, and if it is true, we'll call activateGameplayScreen function. Following this, I run a function that will deactivate all states. On line 430, all the way down here, this is where I hold my helper function that is designed to run an if statement for the FSM that checks these 2 parameters: if the gameplay state object is not equal to null, and if it is also active in the hierarchy, meaning that the gameplay state was called to active. And if it meets these conditions, it will return true, since it's a boolean. Anything else, it's going to return false. For the activate gameplay screen function, here on line 357, I moved the code that was previously in the start function into this onActive function in order to spawn the player and generate the map for the game. The deactivate all states helper function here on line 301 will disable all the states in the inspector for the player. When the game is first started, only UIs and managers exist in the scene. And then once the player transitions to the gameplay state, the player's AI, pickups, and level pieces are instantiated. Now let's take a look at the gameplay state in action. Okay. And I currently have this set up to use simple button presses to switch in between the states. So if I press Z, for example, goes all the way through, and then on B, then the gameplay state is loaded and you can play. Let me pause this. You get the full scene, and if we look at the game manager, sorry about that, but looking at the game manager, while the gameplay state is active, we could see that now the player has been filled out. The spawn points have been filled out. And down here, it just shows the map generator has been attached as well. Alright, so let's play a little bit more. I have all my pickups. Speed boost power. This one will give the player an extra life. This AI will attack me if I get too close. And stop if I back up. See if we could kill him. Perfect. And I have the destroy object set to a delay, so that's why it kind of looks like it lagged a little bit, but it was set that way. All right. And thank you so much for watching.